Morning students, today we are going to start a new poem from your literature book. The name of the poem is The Rebel, right? And this poem is written by DJ Enright, means the name of the poet is DJ Enright. Now, do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? For example, if you want to go outside and play, at that time he wants to stay inside and play indoor games. So he is the person who always goes opposite to you. Now, what is the word which you will use for such a person? The rebel, or rebel is that word that describes such a person who always goes opposite to you. So, this poem is about such a person who always goes opposite what everybody wants to do. So, in this poem, we will be reading one by one what rebel does. Now, let's begin with the text. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So here you will see that the rebel always goes opposite. If everybody is having short hair, then rebel will grow his hair. If everybody has long hair, he will cut his hair. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. Means when the teacher is not teaching in the classroom, when everybody is busy in talking, what does the rebel do? The rebel does not say a word. He is quiet. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. But when nobody talks during the lesson, when there is a pin of silence, what will he do? The rebel creates a disturbance. He will create disturbance in the classroom. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Fantastic means attractive, charming, right? So, when everybody is in complete uniform, he will dress differently. Means he has to do opposite of everyone, right? When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. Soberly means in a simple manner, right? So it means when everybody wears colorful and charming clothes, what he will do? He will dress in a simple manner. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. Now suppose we all love dogs and you are discussing about dogs. Then what will he do? He will show his liking for the cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. Now suppose we all are cat lovers and we are discussing about cats. So now what he will do? He will praise dog. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. Now when everybody is admire sun or appreciating the sun, so what he does? He remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. Now, when everybody is welcoming the rain, the rebel feels sorry for the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. Now, when everybody is going to office and walking, right? The rebel stays at home and he reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Now you see, he has to do opposite of everyone. If everyone is going to office, he will stay at home. Now everyone is staying at home and reading a book, then he will go to the office and attend the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. Means when everybody accepts with thanks, he will say no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. Now when everybody says no we do not want it, no thank you, so the rebel says yes please, he accepts it, right? Now it is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Now this is very important line of this poem, which see that it is very good that we have rebel. Why do you think the poet is saying so? Because it is good to have a rebel because they think differently, right? So there is some scope for discovering new things. So that's why the poet is saying that it is very good that we have rebels. Thank you.